Fundamental Analysis. Top companies in spotlight in 2023. Here are the lessons to be learned from this blog. Lesson 1. Fundamental analysis reveals a stock's real value by digging into its financials, not just following market buzz. It's your shield against PSE volatility and path to lasting gains. Lesson 2. Metrics like PE, DE, and ROE are your investing toolkit, showing if stocks like Jollibee or Globe are gold or glitter. Master them to spot bargains and avoid traps. Lesson 3. Applying fundamental analysis means balancing strengths, growth, and weaknesses, debt and PSE stocks. It's like choosing the best lumpia go for substance over flash. Lesson 4. Diversify across sectors, mix steady players like Universal Robina, with risers like Aboitiz to tame risk and boost rewards. It's your recipe for a balanced portfolio. Lesson 5. Stick to companies with strong fundamentals and patience, not speculation, wins in the PSE. This disciplined approach turns your investments into a wealth-growing engine. Decoding fundamental analysis for Filipino investors. Picture yourself investing in a Filipino icon like Jollibee or SM Investments, not just buying stocks, but owning a slice of their success. Fundamental analysis is your magnifying glass, revealing a company's true worth beyond market hype. It's about dissecting financial statements, balance sheets, income statements, and cash flows to assess health, growth, and stability. In the Philippine Stock Exchange PSE, where economic booms and typhoon like volatility coexist, this method shines. You'll evaluate revenue trends, profit margins, and debt to see if a company can endure tough times. It's like inspecting a jeepney before a long ride, ensuring it's roadworthy. For Filipino investors, this isn't Wall Street jargon. It's a practical tool to find gems in a dynamic market fueled by consumer spending and infrastructure growth. Get ready to invest with confidence, not guesswork, as we explore this powerful approach. Why fundamental analysis is your edge in the PSE. The Philippine stock market is a thrilling ride. Think of it as a fiesta with ups and downs. With rapid economic growth come risks. Inflation spikes, policy shifts, or global headwinds. Fundamental analysis is your anchor, cutting through the noise of rumors and panic. It spotlights companies like Ayala Corp or PLDT that thrive despite chaos. Instead of chasing trends, you'll focus on facts. Is this business profitable? Can it handle debt? Does it reward shareholders? In a market shaped by family conglomerates and rising consumerism, understanding a company's core strength is crucial. This isn't about short-term wins. It's about finding undervalued stocks with staying power. Imagine sifting through a palanque for the ripest mangoes. Fundamental analysis helps you pick winners that grow your wealth over time. In this chapter, see why it's your secret weapon for smart investing. Mastering key metrics for PSE success. Numbers tell stories, and in fundamental analysis, they're your script. Revenue and earnings growth show if a company like Universal Robina is riding consumer demand. The price-to-earnings PE ratio, say, Jollibee's high 33 hints if a stock's pricey or a steal. Debt-to-equity DE ratio reveals stability. Ayala's low debt is a green flag. Return on equity. ROE measures efficiency. PLDT's high ROE screams smart management. And dividend yield? Globe Telecom's payouts beat savings accounts hands down. These metrics aren't just data. They're your treasure map in the PSE. In a country where dividends can outshine bank rates, knowing these figures turns you into a savvy investor. This chapter unpacks each metric with local examples, making them easy to grasp and apply. Watch as these tools light up opportunities and pitfalls across the Philippine market. Putting fundamental analysis to work on PSE stocks. Let's roll up our sleeves and analyze real stocks. Jollibee boasts stellar growth, but its lofty PE might raise eyebrows. Is it worth it? Globe Telecom offers juicy dividends, yet sluggish growth, steady or stagnant. San Miguel tempts with fat margins, but its weak ESG score flags risks. Metro Pacific's low price screams value, yet its debt whispers caution. This chapter brings fundamental analysis to life, showing how to weigh pros and cons. It's like picking the best adobo at a buffet. You need to taste the details. By studying financials and market context, you'll spot red flags, high debt, and green lights, consistent earnings. Using PSE giants as our lab, we'll decode their stories' growth potential, pitfalls, and all. Learn to think like an analyst and turn data into decisions that pay off. Crafting your PSE portfolio with fundamentals. Time to build your wealth blueprint. Fundamental analysis isn't just about picking stocks, it's about strategy. Set your sights, short-term flips or long-haul gains. For lasting wealth, diversify, blend consumer champs like Universal Robina with infrastructure stars like Aboitiz. Watch macro trends. BSP rate hikes or government projects can tilt the board. Skip the hype, anchor on solid fundamentals: revenue growth, low debt, steady dividends. Think Ayala Corp. Patient investors have reaped rewards. This chapter ties it together, showing how to grow with the Philippine economy. It's like planting a mango tree: nurture the roots, and the fruit follows. With discipline and insight, your portfolio becomes a powerhouse, thriving through volatility. Fundamental analysis isn't a chore, it's your ticket to financial freedom in the PSE. Let's start building your future, one smart pick at a time.